Okay, the first problem, write down this first problem, pause this and write it down. I will just read. A polarizer and analyzer are oriented so that amount of transmitted light is maximum. So analyzer and polarizer. So before that, the incoming light is unpolarized light. You remember this notation? Fine. Now there is an polarizer and there is analyzer. And what is given is they are oriented so that amount of transmitted light is maximum. याचा अर्थ काय? It should immediately occur to you the angle of their transmission axis is 0 or their axis is parallel to each other. That is first thing. Now through what angle should either be turned so that intensity of transmitted light is reduced? So this is polarizer, this is analyzer. So always either of those you can turn. So always try to think analyzer you are turning. So analyzer हा तुम्ही अशा दिशेने जर रोटेट केला तर to at what angle it should be rotated so as question is first intensity will be 0.75 and 0.25. हा question है. So always whenever you are reading the question you should immediately try to draw this kind of a diagram to make sense to you what is going on, what is actually given to you. Okay, now what do you have related to this? Always try to think what do I have with this. We have only one formula, one principle regarding this thing, that is called Malus law. You remember that? Malus law. What does it say? It says intensity received at that side divided by original intensity is always square of theta between them. This is the Malus law. That is what you have. So now question is what? Intensity received at that side will be 0.75 is given information. What is this quantity? This quantity is intensity received compared to original intensity. So simply what does this tell you is this 0.75 is nothing but left hand side of this equation. You can immediately write 0.75 equal to cos square of theta. So simply next thing will be simply take the square root. So you will have under root 0.75 equal to cos theta, and this will simply give you cos inverse theta. We want theta effectively, so we will get theta equal to cos inverse of under root of 0.75. If you simply solve this, you get the value that is 30 degree, and you can also get 180 degree minus 30 degree, that is going to be 150 degree. So of course this is the answer and also this is the answer. So I think एवढं तर तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित समजलं असेल हे कुठून आलं, वेअर डिड यू गेट दिस फ्रॉम. याचा अर्थ एवढाच आहे की हा जो तुम्ही फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दोज आर पॅरलल टू इच अदर ओरिजिनली. नाउ इफ आय रोटेट दिस अनालायझर बाय 30 degree I will get this intensity here, intensity that is 0.75. मी जर या डिरेक्शनने ते फिरवलं तर मी तीच जी लोकेशन आहे म्हणजे हा जो ऍक्सिस आहे हा ऍक्सिस या डिरेक्शनला आलेला असेल. 30 degree हा झाला ना, 30 degree. हीच पोझिशन मला इकडनं सुद्धा फिरवता येईल. सेम गोष्ट मी जर 180 degree मायनस 30 degree जर फिरवली तरी मला एक्झॅक्टली सेम गोष्ट येणार आहे, कारण मॅथमॅटिकली आय विल गेट दिस व्हॅल्यू ॲट 30 degree ॲज वेल ॲज 150 degree. ठीक आहे. सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम ऑन पोलरायझेशन. I hope you can read this. Pause this video and write it down. Pause this video and write it down. Pause this and write it down. I will read this for you. Polarizer and analyzer are set with each other where polarizing directions are parallel. So intensity of transmitted light is maximum. Again, similar situation is given. Polarizer is kept, analyzer is kept. Their angle between transmission axis is 0 because they are parallel to each other. And unpolarized light is coming from this side. And something is asked. What is asked? Through what angle should either be turned so that intensity is reduced to 1/2? So either, so there are two questions. To what angle this should be turned? So intensity will be 1/2 and 25%. So थोडासा क्वेश्चनची लँग्वेज बदललेली आहे. So that is where it becomes tricky. If you don't understand this clearly, you will get unnecessarily confused. So let us see what is going on. Again, transmission axes are parallel. What angle theta it should be rotated? So the intensity here will be 1/2. First question. That should be pretty easy. Again, you have Malus law, that is I divided by I0 is equal to cos square of theta. That is simply given. The first part is easier. That is simply nothing but 1/2 is equal to cos square theta. Take under root 1/2 equal to cos theta, and simply theta will be cos inverse of under root of 1/2, and that is simply nothing but 60 degree or 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. This is the answer. यात काही प्रॉब्लेम नसावा. The next problem is 25, not degree. This is 25%. 25%. याचा अर्थ काय? What to make sense out of this? So 25% याचा अर्थ काय येतो हे पहिले तुम्हाला कळलं पाहिजे. 25% means 25 part out of 100 part. म्हणजेच it is nothing but 1/4. You can rather use this 25/100 as it is in the Malus law. This is always we have as Malus law. So simply you can get 25/100 is equal to cos square theta. So you can also write 1/4 equal to cos square theta, and under root 1/4 is equal to cos theta, and hence theta will be equal to cos inverse of under root of 1/4, and that will give you the value that is 45 degree or 135 degree. So this will be the answer. I hope this is pretty much clear to you. Next numerical. Again, it will be based on the same principle and everything will be same. हे पॉज करा आणि लिहून घ्या. पॉज करा, लिहून घ्या. Pause it and write it down. I will read it. Polarizing plates here have polarizing directions, again parallel, so as to transmit maximum intensity of light. So again same story, same thing, पण प्रत्येक वेळी you will have to draw this diagram. You must draw this diagram. This will give you clearer idea what is going on. Again, this is unpolarized light and passing through this. Angle between transmission axis of this and this is it. Those are parallel to each other, so they will transmit maximum intensity. हे परत same गोष्ट आहे. Now, through what angle must either plates be turned if the intensity of transmitted beam is 1/3 of intensity of incident beam? आता थोड्या वेगळ्या शब्दांमध्ये विचारलंय. काय विचारलंय त्यांनी? 1/3 असेल. 1/3 असेल तर याचा अर्थ काय होतो? 1/3. What is 1/3? That is intensity received divided by original intensity. Same story. Pause this video and try to do by yourself. I will just continue this. I by I0 equal to cos square theta, and simply that is nothing but, this left hand side is nothing but 1/3 is equal to cos square theta, and hence cos theta will be equal to cos inverse of 1 divided by 3 sa under root. So you can always do this in small step. What you should do is 1/3 sa under root is equal to cos theta, and hence theta will be equal to cos inverse of under root of 1/3, and that will be simply giving you theta equal to 54.74 degree. And also it is equal to 180 minus 54.74, and that is going to be 125.24 degree. So this will be the final answer. The answer will be 54 as well as 125 degree. So that's it. Everything, all numericals will be based on the same formula you have here.